Skyline Baruta is a proposal that seeks to unify all Baruta places and people under the same landscape. The main idea is to enhance the urban dynamics linked to nature and culture that already exist in Baruta, by connecting them through a network of existing and new touristic places, so it will be finally possible for residents and visitors to meet and generate new dynamics together. In order to make this possible, it is necessary to understand Baruta's situation first. Baruta is conformed by a generous green system, an important creek system, and several communities that are scattered through different levels of topography. This natural and cultural potential of Baruta is reflected in a big amount of existing parks. They are capable of defining several urban dynamics around them. But as the only road that connects all Baruta is already not enough, the connectivity problem is perhaps the biggest issue to solve. That's why we came up with a strategy to ensure the so needed social integration of Baruta. First of all, it is important to address the already existing parks and preserve them. Then, it is crucial to design parallel roads of connections between parks and communities to relieve the main road. And finally, it is important to attend the new transversal access through interventions as public spaces, route stops, and pedestrian solutions in order to create a network of new dynamics. Our proposed parks are going to be linked to the existing ones and are going to affect the communities around them with the development of different activities that resemble their potentials and identities. Our system also includes receptor patches in La Limonera and Ojo de Agua. The idea is to redesign and organize the disused and mostly flat areas of the steeplands, so it's necessary to create a collaborative support system through an additive structural organism. As protected corridors, we have our mountain road, which is made up of trekking and biking roads, as well as equipment to make some strategic stops with the best views of Baruta. As attractor corridors, we have the ground road, which goes over Baruta's urban access, creating pedestrian solutions and encounter spaces for the communities. Then we have the Sky Road. It is conformed by two cableway roads in order to travel Baruta in a different and a more attractive way. By unifying all the roads and parks, we got our urban proposal. 3 continuous and new recreational corridors from La Trinidad to La Mariposa Dam, and an educational and rangers steward system. Together, they make a network of new ways to experience Baruta, along with the urban and green system connectivity. The specific interventions go through this new transversal access and the communities they connect. In order to develop new pedestrian connections in downtown Baruta, the proposal is to create a cultural and commercial boulevard that connects La Trinidad with the main plaza. The boulevard will provide public spaces with new cultural and musical center and a urban park to enrich the historical areas of Baruta. The proposal also includes a pedestrian corridor along La Guairita Creek in order to connect with the second sector. In the Ojo de Agua sector, the proposal is to create parks along the stream of the creek and the mountains. In order to develop the protected corridor along the creek, it is necessary to relocate the informal settlements located next to the creek. This edge will have vegetation and pedestrian roads that connect with next expansion areas, parks and producing patches, as well as allowing the correct sanitation of the creek water. The equipment of the protected corridors is complemented by the development of urban furniture, a community center for recreational activities, a park with sports equipment, nursery galleries, and the development of producing patches for the community. The Cultural Park is located in the Simón Bolívar University, and it seeks to be a transition border that links the gardens with the rest of the university. This cultural border projects new plazas and paths along, with a cableway station, a green amphitheater, and a new university's assembly hall to host all kinds of different events. The intervention in Hoyo de la Puerta goes along with the park system and the El Volcán border. The last urban cableway station is located here. It is called the Mall Park Station, and it is conformed by a corridor with commercial, sports, and lookout activities. The following cableway route is through the Green Park system, which includes the new entrance to the Vinicio Adams Park, and then goes straight into the nature, to La Mariposa Dam, to the Eco Park Station. The idea is to revive and protect the dam and the protected zone that is a recreational park as the final tour of our tour. And finally, a little preview of the new Skyline of Baruta. Thank you.